Alright, we're recording. The 50 is pretty fun.
I know, but
it's too small.
Yeah.
110, like the perfect size for the new jumps. Have you hit the berm?
Yeah, it still needs a little bit of work though, because it's like.
What?
It needs a little bit of work.
The berm, yeah. It'll flatten out over time. Is it neutral?
Yeah, should be.
Yeah, it is. I hope it's recording. Probably not gonna do anything crazy. It's like average Joe. Oh, I almost looped it out. Oh, I gotta get my gloves. Yeah, you ready? You can sit down. You can put that box on the ground.
I was gonna time your lap right now just to see how you're doing.
Alrighty. Colton, when are you starting it? When I get right here?
Yeah, like I'm gonna do it like when you get there.
Like just when I get like about at the jump?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Damn, I'm not feeling good. How we looking?
He's at 29.
Dang.
Hey, my girlfriend's was dead.
Mine is too. That was just a practice. I wouldn't really go too hard. I was just trying to get used to the jumps. It takes me like 3 laps to get used to the jumps before I feel like comfortable on it. All right, here. Give me 2 more laps and then can we run a full time trial? All right. Whoopsie. This thing's such a beater. I'll learn first.